Hello, I'm Daniel with Daniel's DIY. Today we're doing an unboxing video. I just got the brand new iPhone. Just released today. I pre-ordered it last week and it just arrived. So let's dig in, see what comes in the box. I got the Sierra Blue. It's the iPhone 13 Pro, 256 gigabyte. You can see it starts out face down when you open the box. You got that nice shiny blue metallic color. Kind of hard to get out. Really shiny corners, man. It's hard to tell in the video, but it's just sparkling. So you got a nice three cameras. In the box you get a charging cable. Not too happy with this. I'm coming from a couple year old iPhone's XR, which just had the lightning, which typical iPhone lightning cable plug. But they switched it up to where it comes with a USB-C plug now. Trying to help save the environment by not sending out millions of charging ports when they figured everybody already has plenty of them from previous phones. But this is the first time I ever bought an Apple. I buy Apples all the time, and they always have just a regular USB port. So all of my plugs, I have about 10 of them in my house, including the plugins in the wall, all take a regular USB port. This will not plug into that, so we're gonna have to buy a new one from Apple anyway. So that's kind of annoying, paying $1,000 for a phone and you have to buy another $20 charging port. So luckily I have a wireless charger to get me by until I go to Apple and get a new charging port. So you get, like always, Apple decals. A little before you get started guide. This is cool. I haven't seen this previously on iPhones. So it comes with a little pin. This is to get your SIM card out, which is going to be right there. You just push this in and it pops that tray out. Kind of wish they would have included a charger instead of that, but whatever. It's nice not have to use a hairpin or a paper clip to open that up if you ever need to. But the SIM comes already installed anyway nowadays, so I'll probably never open that port. Well, there you have it, folks. That's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. We just moved here, so I'm going to be doing some more DIY projects here soon. I haven't done a video in a while. So stay tuned for lots of home building. We're going to build a new desk in our new office, and that'll be cool. We're going to use plywood and 2x6s. It's going to look really awesome, and it's going to be done on a budget, so that's cool. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and like always, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.